Yeah. Oh my God. You got it. You got it. Add a D there. Did.
Okay.
Did. Did.
Hard.
Harder.
It's like a quacking duck. Like
Okay. Okay.
harder. Okay.
Okay. What about a G? Gig. 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 Something like
Okay.
that.
No! No! It's just a little like, no!
Like go. Like go. Go. Can you say that?
No! Oh, okay, wait. Well, okay, the belt one or the edge one. Go! Go! Okay, that was better because I opened up my
pretty good. Yeah. That's actually pretty good. That's actually what Demi's doing, by the way. So from the go, do it for me anymore. See if you can do that.
No! No! Okay, that was better. No! Yeah.
It's there. And now just sing the song. Sing the rest of the song. Go ahead.
Okay. Do it for me anymore. Okay.
What do you think? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do, and then sing. Do it for me anymore.
Okay.
Go for it.
Do it for me anymore. Okay, that was even better. Woo! Okay, this is exciting. You don't do it. Okay, I can't laugh. It's because I'm thinking about what I look like. Okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
All right.
You don't do it for me anymore. Okay.
Do you like it? What do you think? It's better?
Yes.
Okay.
It's like scary, but it's good.
Yes, and that having that kind of mindset or that kind of approach towards singing, it has its cons, but mostly I would say it's pros.
Wait, hon. Yeah, it like clicks. It's like literally like it feels it in my belly almost. Like okay.
Yes, very good. No cooing stuff. Very good.
Yes, I am.
Oh my God, you could easily pull up, or you could fool before someone is like in their mid-20s or so. I'm just saying. Yes.
I'm very old on the inside. No, it's just joking.
Before we jump in, tell me a little bit more about your goals. Like, what would be your end goal look like? What would be a short-term versus a long-term goal? Can you just tell me?
Yeah, short term, I really want to, first of all, know what I'm capable of doing, like know what kind of sounds I can even make, and where it's like a cap on my actual voice versus just needing to practice some things to, you know what I mean? I want to know like realistic for me. And then I really want to be able to sing higher because I'm feeling like the low jazzy alto stuff, breathy stuff. Okay, fine. But it's the belty stuff. It's the, I think CVT calls it curbing.
Sure, the curbing. Yeah, the curbing.
I mean, you know, just I want to be able to sing the songs on the radio. I love Charlie Puth.
Oh, sweet. Yeah.
Nice. I mean, I'm just a pop person. I'm just a mix of a bunch of things, which also that will be another little pain point of mine is like vowels. Okay, like vowels. I am not consistent. I don't know what I'm doing or what and it's like because I listen to all these different types of music, I'm just like a big mix of a bunch of blah, you know?
Okay.
So.
Okay, yeah, vowels are pretty important. I think that if you look into CVT, you know that in CVT they talk about vowels quite a bit in the sense of modes, because when it comes to edge, edge has certain vowels, overdrive has certain vowels, and then curbing has more of that kind of more restrained feeling, that hold back sensation, stuff like that.
Me, 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 me.
Nice, and here?
Me, 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 me.
Pretty good, pretty good. Quick question, right? How loud do you think you're operating at right now? Is it like a 6 on a scale of 1 to 10? What do you think?
Oh, okay. Maybe a 6. Yeah, maybe a 6.
Okay. So right now you're essentially doing curbing, Okay, so that's kind of like what curbing would sound like. Okay, curbing is that sort of middle ground, sort of in the middle. That's kind of like just chilling there. If you get a bit louder there, and you open up the vowel more, then it gets more edge. For example, where are we at? So let's say curbing. More curbing kind of a kind of vowel. Now if I open that up, that becomes more edge, and you can hear a shouting, hey! More of that kind of quality. That becomes more edge. Can you try that? Give it a go.
Yeah. Okay. Me, 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 me.
Can we just pick this one note, a G4? Can you go, me, 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 and can you do those two vowels together? Try that.
Okay. I mean, I think it feels like it's like popping or something.
Yeah, yeah. Oh my God, you got it. You got it.
Wait, hold on. Yeah, it like clicks. It's like literally like it feels it in my belly almost. Like okay.
Yes, yes, very good. No queen stuff.
Okay.
Okay, okay, and here.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay, I've never done this whole thing where it's the same note. Like I always sing and I don't know like what it is I'm doing, but you making me, it's just making me in tune with what is going on.
Yes, yes. So essentially, what you're really doing is you are switching modes from curbing to edge with an A kind of vowel, and in an edge, the A sounds like the shouting, "Hey!" That kind of sound. It is
Yes.
what it is. No one will ever call out someone, "Hey, hey, hey!" No,
Yeah,
there's no sense.
okay.
It's like, "Hey, hey!" It's gonna be "Hey." It's more open, right? That's kind of like the idea.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
now,
I love it.
I'm not gonna say what note we go to because then you'll be like, "Oh, I'm probably not gonna be able to go."
Don't tell me. It's way better to just not.
Exactly. Very good. What does that feel like to you? Tell me.
I didn't flip. It didn't do the switch thing at all, and then it just felt like this is like unsteady ground. You know what I mean? It's not like I couldn't hit the note, but it's like weak or something.
Okay. I'm not gonna say which vocal break though. Okay, that's a secret. Okay, and I would. Wow. How did that feel?
I mean, kind of like, well, it was better than last time. Okay, so that makes sense that you're saying that I was in a break thing. I don't know, and then, but that is different from like, oh, you know, like.
Of course. Of course.
And so I don't know why. I'm just trying to imitate you, you know?
Okay. Wow. How did that feel?
Okay, I'm hearing the sound and I'm like, it's ugly. And so then I just like, you know, like, that's very much me. Like I'm an over analyzer and then I just like stop and lock up. So I have to just I have to get over myself.
Yes, and that having that kind of mindset or that kind of approach towards singing, it has its cons, but mostly I would say it's pros because you're more of an analytical person. Like you like to analyze and be like, okay, what is happening here? What am I doing here? I want to know this more so that I can recreate that more and more so that hey, I don't like what's happening here, so let me learn a little bit more about this one so that I can do this less and less and less. Every time I do it, I'm like, no, it's not there. I have to do that one. And that kind of mentality and mindset is always very good, okay? Like, we can get all nerdy and science if you like, okay?
Yeah.
With the CVT, I love that as well.
I'm a super fan, of that. I feel like that's
okay.
I could talk about it all day, even though I don't know enough yet. I'm like, tell me everything. So I think it's cool.
I got you covered. Queen, okay? We'll certainly do that.